5 important things every teen should remember when outside alone. Parents, please share it with them. Number 1, not everyone who talks nicely is safe. Safe adults don't ask teenagers or children for personal help. Number 2, if an adult asks you to come somewhere, to carry something, or to keep a secret, walk away and call home. Number 3, stay aware of your surroundings. Don't keep yourself busy on phone. Rather than stay aware, stay alert what is happening around. Number 4, if you feel like that someone is watching you or following you, trust that feeling. Go to a crowded place and call your parents immediately. Number 5, your safety is more important than being polite. You are allowed to say no and leave. As freedom is exciting, but awareness keeps you safe.